Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on Anxiety and it's on the guitar, so let's get started. So this is a really easy song to play. The strum pattern is easy, and also we're only going to be using 4 chords throughout the entire song. So the first one is going to be C, an A in minor, to a D minor, and the last chord is a G. So only going to be using those 4 chords for the entire song. So it's a simple strum pattern. We're just using 3 down strums for each chord. So the reason why it has that sound, it's I'm using the technique of palm muting, which I'm resting my palm on the base of the strings. Probably not doing a good example of it, but this is how it's supposed to sound, rather than the open sound like this. Now you still can strum it like this, whichever way that you prefer to do it. Either way is fine. If you like the open one, you guys can choose to do that one. I just prefer to do the palm muting. So right now I have the chorus and the lyrics on the screen, and you guys can play along and sing with it. 3. Thanks again guys for watching this video. I also have the ukulele version if you guys want to check that one out. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.